think we may be stopping shortly now. Referee Tatiana Williston said that we're going to stop now, boys, and this is because of this national emergency alert test. So the boys are leaving the arena.
What a time for it to happen as well, Dennis. Look at that free ball. He's got the green, but what a mistake. There we are.
That's everybody's mobile phones making that alert sound. I don't know, it'll last for probably, oh, it's gone off again. Is that it?
Oh, it's a little bit.
That's Mr. Doherty's phone. Anyway.
Okay.